At Chicago Pneumatic, performance isn't just what we deliver, it's who we are. For over a century, we've been a trusted name in compressed air solutions, powering businesses that shape the world with industrial air compressors, air dryers, air piping, and condensate management. From keeping assembly lines moving to building the future, our compressed air systems are designed to handle the toughest jobs with efficiency, reliability, and innovation. But performance goes beyond our products. It's about people. The engineers perfecting every detail, the workers who rely on our compressors, and the businesses that trust us to keep them running. It's about passion, a commitment to pushing boundaries, improving efficiency, and helping industries thrive. With global expertise and local support, we're here to power what matters most. When uptime is critical, when precision is non-negotiable, when only the best will do, Chicago Pneumatic delivers. Because behind every machine, behind every innovation, is a simple truth: people, passion, performance. This is our promise.